What's up, guys? So I'm replacing the gaskets on the vacuum pump, and I kind of wanted to give you guys some tips. So there's one T30 there. The other one is, let me see, right there. And there's one all the way at the bottom. So you're gonna follow it from like here. It's like right there, and there's a bracket. That bracket, the bolt goes through that bracket. It's hard to get to. So I went to Harbor Freight. I got this kit. This is the kit I got. So it's a flex head. It's super small, obviously. It's a T30. You get those three bolts off the back. So 1, 2, 3. There's a harness. Move the harness out the way, and then it's 5 T25s to take apart the vacuum pump. And you have to unplug the hose for the brake booster. Take that out. You just push the 2 tabs in and it comes out. And the O-rings you're going to be replacing. There's one here. Clean this real good, and then clean the back of the plate off. So that's one ring, and the second ring is actually on the back of here. When you pull it out, it might come out with it. And the other ring is this one. So replace those and you should be good. Pretty much what's been happening is oil leaks all in here. You'll see it like on the bottom of the transmission and a little bit on the axle right there. It's not a how-to video, it's more like a tip video on how to do this. Since I was struggling a little bit, I figured this would be a good video to show. This is a 2008 Audi A4 2.0 turbo. One thing I want to add real quick, when I was doing this, so once you regasket everything and it's good to go, and you go to put this back on your car, it might not line up right, and it might not actually go in there because you have to spin the piece that's on the inside, which is in this picture. As you can see, it moves and you have to line it up with the camshaft. So what I ended up doing was taking a video with my phone so I could see the position of the camshaft, and I spun this vacuum pump in the same direction so it lined up and it went in.